NEET Physics. This is the table of contents we can go through. You see, physical world, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, laws of motion, working energy system of particles, and so on. We went through these topics last session, and also we started with basic mathematics just to give a good background, a concrete background for the students before starting up this course. We started with vectors and we solved a lot of examples, and I gave you homeworks to strengthen your knowledge about this topic. We went through these topics. If you have any question, just you can highlight to me, please. If not, we will have another topic, which is the dot product of vectors. Now we are dot product. And sometimes they call it a scalar product. Scalar product, it is designated by a vector A, a vector B, and here there is just a dot. That's why it is a dot product. So dot product, from the dot product, the result is a scalar. Okay, so this is a vector, but the dot product like this results in a scalar. That's why we call it scalar vector. Okay, now how we can evaluate the scalar product? We have this example. I'll explain this topic or this concept through this example. Find the value of the vector A product multiplied or dot product by vector B. So A is this vector. It is I minus j plus 3k, and B is 2I plus 3j minus k. So the dot product is simply like this. A dot B, it is like this. This means 1 multiplied by I, because there is no number here, so it is considered as 1. So this 1 multiplied by 2, it becomes like this. 1, it is this one, multiplied by 2, plus this one. Here the factor is minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 3. And this one is a 3 multiplied plus 3 multiplied by minus 1. So I'll multiply the factor, this one, by the corresponding one here. This is 1 for I, it will be multiplied by I. So 1 multiplied by 2. Here it is minus 1 multiplied by 3. Here it is 3 multiplied by minus 1. And then I sum up these all together. So 1 multiplied by 2, it is 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, it is minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 1, it is also minus 3. So the result 2 minus 3, it is 2 minus 6. And this will be minus 4. Okay? So this is called the dot product. You see here, here we have minus 4. It is just a scalar. This is not a vector. It is just a scalar. Minus 4 is a scalar. It is not a vector. That's why we call it scalar product. Scalar product of vectors. So the output of cross product or scalar product of two vectors is a scalar. Now I'll go to another example.